Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now, we'll start with a new lesson, that is volume 3, third volume. In third volume, already we have completed block 21, right? Now, in 21, what we have learnt about globe and map, model of the earth, how to use the map, right? So this is all you know, how to identify the map. Okay. Now, how it is helpful, useful. Now, we'll go with block 22, parallels and meridians. Now, S1, lines of latitude. Now, we have to identify, aim is identify the important lines of latitude by constructing a model of the earth. Now this is one imaginary line, what we have imagined, because earth is round, right? So these lines are imaginary lines, but they are very helpful. How to, because earth is so big, children, how we'll know the place, which place, where particular we have to go? We won't be knowing. So through this map and the globe, we can easily identify the place by the lines, right? By the lines here. Now here I have, this is what? Model of the earth, latitude of, it is a construction. Now earth is round, right? So the earth, I'll come to this side. Earth is round. Now in this you can see, I will explain you this one. North Pole and South Pole. Directions you have learned, children, right? In that, North Pole and South Pole. Or I'll come to this side. Can you see the board? Now, in center, it is an equator. That means the earth has been divided into two parts, right? Like they are equal. That is why they are known as equator. Okay? You understood? Now this yellow color, that is why we have colored and showed you. This is yellow color and here this is blue color. Now from this line, middle of this line, equator, now this half side comes under north and here south. Understood, children? Now 0 degree. Here it will, equator is 0 degree. 0 degree. Now you can see this imaginary line. Did you see this imaginary line? Now one more thing. 6 lines will be there here on the north side and 6 lines from the south. It's easy, no, children? Now here from north side we'll start 0 degree north, then 50 degrees north, 30 degree north, 45 degree north, 60 degree north, 75 degree north. Now how much you know the maths now? Now 15 degree gap is there in between. Understood, children? 15, that means 0, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree. So it is increasing, right? Then it comes to North Pole. Now down. Again from equator. Children, please listen very carefully. This is very, very important in whole life. Again from equator, 15 degrees south, 30 degrees south, 45 degrees south, 60 degrees south, 75 degrees south. Now, these are the Arctic and Antarctic circles there. I will explain you afterward. First, you listen properly and understand. Okay, children, if you don't understand, you are having videos, you can again open and see repeatedly 2-3 times, so that you will understand, and read the reader also. Okay. Now another thing, children, this half part is also known as northern hemisphere. What is this? Northern, because it is coming to northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. What is hemisphere now? It has been divided into 2 parts. Right? Means divide means it won't be separated, it will be one only, but to identify, to know the lines, that is why it comes in the hemisphere. Means they are sphere, round, no? Half, that is. You understood? This is what I explained. So this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Did you understand, children? If you understand, no, easily you can understand. Easily you can find out. Okay? Again I will repeat, children. This is the earth, model of the earth. How to identify? This is equator. Okay? Equator means equal. Here, children, whichever place comes near these 2 sides comes under hot. Later on I will explain it. First you understand this one. Got? Understood? Equator is 0 degree. Then this line will be, first line will be 15 degree. Slowly it is increasing. Degree is increasing. 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 75. That is gap between 15 degrees. Here that is north and this is south. Now this line, now this is equator. This is north and south. Now what about this degree? They are 90 degree. Straight angle, no? So 90 degree. In maths also you will study. So this is, that is in between North Pole and South Pole. This line is known as North Pole and South Pole. 90 degrees. They are equal. Got it? 90 plus 90, how much? 180 degree. So all together comes under 180 degree. Got it? Understood, children? 90 degree and 90 degree is 180 degree. Now I will read the lesson and the workbook. Okay, children. I hope you have understood this. Is it clear? I think so. Now, children, open your reader. Page number 136. First, I'll show you this globe. Exactly what I have done here. Children, here, block 22, parallels and meridians, lines of latitude and important latitude. Now, lines of latitude are imaginary horizontal lines running east to west, circling the earth. That is circling the earth. This one, children. Okay? They are just imaginary with that is east to west. These lines are also called parallels. They are known as parallels because they are parallel to each other and never meet. They never meet, children. They are like round. You can see in your globe and as well as in map. the lines get shorter and shorter as we move towards the pole. Just now I showed you, children. See, these lines are getting shorter and shorter and shorter, right? That is 15 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, like that. So these lines are getting shorter, right? They are moving towards pole. There are a total of 180 degree latitudes. The parallel are numbered from 0 to 90. Just now I explained you on the board. North in the northern hemisphere and 0 to 90 degrees. South in the southern hemisphere. These numbers shows the distance of the parallel from equator. These are the distance, children. How to find out the distance? How we'll find out the distance, children? Like that way we'll find. Okay. Now I'll explain to you. Take out your workbook and the reader. You keep this both, children. Both I'll explain it. Now take out your workbook, page number 30. Page number 30. S1, lines of latitude. First one, on the given diagram, A, number the lines of the latitude, label the important latitude. Now here they have done colored. Now it is there in the reader. Okay, same thing you have to do color. Here already they have done the lines. Lines are there, children. Same thing you have to copy down here. Okay, now here, see, this is 30 degree. She has not done, I think so. This is latitude. Same thing you have to copy down, children. Equator, equator. Now in this line, here, you please do it. This is North Pole, 90 degree. Here South Pole, 90 degree. Okay, and this is equator, EQUA, equator. This is 0 degree, equator, 0 degree. Please see this from reader, children. Here up is yellow and down is blue. Reader, 136 in reader. Now I will explain you also like this way. Both I will explain you. Now from this line, see this line, children, somewhere, 1 minute. This line, see from equator. Equator, children, this is equator. From equator one line is there. That is 15 degree. This is 15 degree. North. Then 30 degree north, then 45 degree north, then what, 45, 60 degree north, then 75 degree north. Now in this side, here you can see this, children, from the reader. Here see this dash, the small dashes are there. This is also line. Here it is Arctic Circle. This is an, here you please write Arctic Circle. Please see, children, here properly. And here Tropic of Cancer. Okay, now this part is over. Now south. Now like that way, southern hemisphere, again 30 degree south, 45 degree south, then 60 degree south, 75 degree south. Half they have written, half we have to write. Again here, Tropic of Tropic of Capricorn down, and Antarctic Circle. Got it? Understood, children? Here. Please see, children. See the reader and do. Now, question 2. Look at the diagram on the right and complete the table. See this diagram, children. See this dot, children. You have to see this dot, children. Brown color dot A here, and again B brown color dot here. Okay. So first I'll read this. Place, latitude, hemisphere, north, south, or none. None means nothing, but we are reading here. This is table form, children. We have to complete the table. How does sunlight falls here? Now, how the sunlight falls here? Now, A and B. First A and B will take. A, 75 degree. See, A is 75 degree north. So, please write 75 degree north. This comes under north. Least direct. That is very less direction. It is falling. Sun is falling less direction. Now, B, 15 degree. See, this is north, direct. It is directly, the sun is falling directly here on B. Okay. Now C, here C is equator. Both are equal. Then D, where is D? D is this line, that is 45 degree. D. See this D. D is 45 degree south. It comes under south here. Less direction, that means from top till here the sunrise is falling very less here. Okay. That is why the place will become very cold. That I'll explain to you later on. First you should know the model of the earth. How to identify, okay? How to construct. One time I'm showing you. Please see this, children. I hope you have understood this. If you read the map, please read. Then only you will understand. Don't tell me I didn't understood. If you read and if you listen to what I have explained to you slowly, then definitely you will never forget in your life. Right? Okay, good luck. Come on.